Today we're going to be making a pop-up peacock. So let's get started. So the supplies you'll need is you'll need some glue. It could be any type of glue. And sparkly paper. If you don't want sparkly paper, you could have plain paper too. Another sparkly paper if you want another sparkly paper, but I'm just gonna go with plain colored paper. And that's all the supplies you'll need. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to flip your paper over. Then you are going to fold a little bit of your paper in half, and then you're going to flip it over on the sparkly side. Then you're going to fold it again, and you're going to do that for the rest. Woo! After you're done with that, you're going to fold your paper in half, like that. See? Should look like that. Then you're going to take your glue and you are going to put some glue on this tab, and you're going to put some glue on the other tab. Then after you're done with that, you're going to fold it in half again and push down really hard. And it might be able to stick. You just have to wait for it to dry. Or you could tape it too. But I'm just going to glue it for now. Alright, after you're done taping or gluing your fan thing, you are going to put that aside, and you are going to get this piece of paper, your other piece of paper, and you're going to draw a peacock. It's okay if it's not perfect because my drawings are not perfect. I'm going to make a video of me drawing a peacock to help you learn how to draw a peacock. Not a 3D one, but I will show you how to draw a peacock. Not a 3D, just draw. Okay, so I'm going to show you my drawing so you could probably copy it or look up my peacock drawing. Make sure you do it very neat because this is going to be your art project. But this is what mine looks like. All right, and you're gonna do that. You're gonna draw that same thing on the other side if you want. If you just want to continue, just rewind the video. Okay. All right, and I did both sides. Then after you're done with that, you're going to get your fan thing. And you are going to glue the fan thing on your paper. I will show you. So you're going to put some tape or some glue on the bottom.
Well, let me at least get my kits out. Like, it's very stiff, dude. You can't just jump in there.
Okay, like that. And you're gonna do that for the other side. It should be, your tape should be this big. And you're going to put it on the other side, like that. Okay, now you're gonna put it on your paper. Push it on. Okay.
You have to.
Okay. Then, after you're done with that, you're gonna get this little cutie and put it, glue it or tape it right there, like that. If you don't want to tape it or staple it and it doesn't work, then you could just stick it in and it will fit. I stuck it in and it fit. So, this is how it looks.
Yes. This is a 5, so this is hers.